Hi, welcome all. Hope you are doing fine. Wear mask whenever you are going out. Use sanitizers to clean your hands frequently. Use soaps to wash your hands. Maintain social distancing. Be safe. Now, let's go into the topic. Hi, my name is Darshan. I am planning to create a new YouTube channel, and the name of the YouTube channel is SS Creations. What am I going to do here in this new YouTube channel? I am going to create various contents which will give you a lot of fun, entertainment, and informative contents. What are the contents that we are going to give in this YouTube channel? We are going to create contents like Vilithiru Sindithiru, financial stability, and importance of self-sustenance by our country. Under Vilithiru Sindithiru, we are going to create three different contents. One is going to be related to the defense news. We do not get much informations about the defense related purchase, defense related inventions in any of our Tamil channels, or we don't even find it in most of our news channels. So we are going to give you a frequent update on the defense related topic. What are the other topics that we are going to cover under this? Next topic which we are going to cover is related to Unave Marundu. This is something related to our younger age, for our grandmothers, forefathers, related foods which they were taking. Those itself contain the medicinal values which we forgot on this fast track world. So we are going to recall what are those things which they have taken, so they had a beautiful immunity in their body. So same thing, we are go back, recollect what they have, so that we will also have a natural immunity cases like a pandemic times. Next, when China released a magazine stating what are those medicines which they used to come out of this pandemic, they used two words called TCM and TIM. What is TCM? What is TIM? And why we are mentioning about this TCM and TIM here? We are going to talk about traditional Indian medicine which is called as TIM in this video. That is going to be the third section in this particular video. So what is TCM? Traditional Chinese medicine. What is TIM? Traditional Indian medicines. We will see what are those in the forthcoming videos. Second mainstream content which we are going to talk about is financial stability. What we are going to see in financial stability? At end of the day, every day, whatever happens in the stock market, we will slightly have an overview of that and what could be tomorrow. Based on my assumption, I am going to predict it. So you can take this as a guidelines, or you can take this as my personal view, what I am thinking about the stock market. So based on that, you can plan consulting your financial advisor what you have to do for that day or for the next day in the market. Secondly, what we are going to do, there is huge inflation that is going on in the company. Every year the inflation increases from 6% to 7%. So what are we going to do to beat the inflations? But our banks, whether they are giving same kind of interest rate for us, every cycle of revision in interest rates, there is always 2%, 3% reduction in the interest rates rather than increase. But our inflation keeps on increasing, whereas our interest rates keep on decreasing. So to beat this trend, what we can do to beat the inflation, that is going to be the second part of this financial constraints. Then the third point is going to be, I'm going to give you some inside know-hows where all we can invest our money to make it give us some better returns. So these are the topics that we are going to discuss in the financial. Third main topic which we are going to see is importance of self-sustenance by our country. This is one of the biggest move that the central government has brought, and this is very much important for our country to going forward in the next. What we have to do, what is our achievements in the past, where we have to focus on, this should be our motto. So we are slightly going to look into that aspect. In this, we are going to classify it into three types. One is going to be electric vehicle, second is going to be related to electronics world, third is going to be where we need to be self-sustained and where we can depend on the other countries. For example, this entire world, one country is dependent on the other country. We cannot think we will be completely self-sustained, eliminating the entire world. That is definitely not possible. But where we can be self-sustained and where we have to depend on the others is a big question mark and big thought process which each and everyone should have. That is the point that we are going to look into. And electric vehicle, what we are going to discuss in electric vehicle, there are numerous EV channels which is available. What are we going to look at in electric vehicles? I will just give you a spark. Now, for example, if we are buying a product for 100 rupees, what if I tell you, you have to only spend 50 rupees to buy that particular product? How? You will know in the future videos which is being posted on this channel. See you guys with the contents.